Just look at this, guys. Look at the weather right now. You just can't really see the far beyond that. I mean, this is what I call the real weather in Lucknow. I mean, look at the fog around here. I mean, there's so much of fog, and I really want to take off this jacket right now because I just wanted to do it. Okay, so now it's good. I really just want to feel the winter of this. Okay, so my camera just got fall. I really just want to feel the cold of this winter. This is too much. I love this kind of winter, yeah. There's so much of fog. Even I can't see the mandir. I mean, look at that. With my naked eyes, I can't see it. And you can't see over that bridge. You even can't see over that bridge. There's also a bridge. I mean, it's completely invisible. Yeah, just honk for no reason at all. I mean, what the weather is going to be on a 5 a.m. in the morning? Okay, so let me clarify myself. There's too much of fog in this park because there's a river flowing beside this park. Not every part of the Lucknow is having this much of fog because not every part of the Lucknow is situated beside the Gomti river or any sort of river or any sort of water. At the back you can see it's a nature, and in the front you can see it's a water. So yeah, this is the reason that this place is having the most amount of fog in Lucknow. I mean, you just can't see anything else. I believe that there are thousands of people behind that fog, but I really can't see them. And also you can see the sun is not out yet. I mean, look at this view, yeah. I mean, it's looking beautiful. Okay, so besides that, I am enjoying this weather, but I should also take care of my health and just wear this jacket because I do not want to get any more cold. So that's why I'm just wearing this, but I'm feeling no cold at all. So yeah, now okay, after wearing this jacket, now I'm feeling colder. Is there some psychological thing around these jackets? Okay, so after a very long time, I'm here at Sharma Tea Stall, and this is a tea with a malai. And yes, today is a Sunday, and also there's so much of crowd in this park, and every seat is properly occupied by 2 or 3 people. Yeah, I'm having a chai after a really long time. It's good actually, it's decent enough. Okay, so I don't know whether you guys can see or not, but there are too many people in this park, and some of the guys are just sitting on the stage, many are just standing, sitting on that fountain. I mean, today is Sunday, and the worst thing about this Sunday, about the Sharma Tea Stall, that it is very occupied with the people. So yeah, let me have my tea, and the tea is decent enough. I cannot say that it is very good, neither I can say that it's very bad. It's decent enough. What the hell? Okay, so this was happened because of the Christmas. I'm here at Polytechnic Chauraha. This is a Polytechnic Chauraha, and the time right now is 4:30 p.m. So yes, as you can see that I am stuck in a traffic jam as always. I mean, traffic jam is like a birthright of this Chauraha. Every time on this Chauraha, there's always a traffic. And there's a small bit of problem which is going on with my last vlog actually. In case you don't know, in my last vlog I visited to Hazratganj St. Joseph Cathedral Church. The audio inside the church just sucks. It is not a very proper audio to listen. My voice is barely catched by the mic. I mean, the audio is too terrible. It's horrible. What can I say? So yeah, because of that my whole day was spent on editing of that vlog, and still my last vlog was not uploaded right now because yeah, I was still editing. And okay, so I don't know whether you guys can see it or not, but there is a giant spinning wheel. There's a jhula right there. So probably if I'll get time, I'll just go into it and just look out what that thing is. My action camera is dead right now. It's not working. The battery is dead completely. Okay, so right now I'm standing in front of this mela. It's called Indian Mahotsav, and I'm standing right in front of it. This is actually a mela. There's a parking station right here. There's a parking lot right here. But there's 2 types of charges. One charge is for parking, and the second charge is the entry fees. If you really want to go inside this Mela, then you really have to just pay the entry fees. Then only you can enter in this Mela. And also there's a lot of noise inside. So probably not today. Someday else we're gonna come here and just look what this thing is all about. And yes, I'm not going to go inside this Mela. And okay, so the date of this Mela is like January or something like that. Okay, so I met with a guy. That guy was telling me that the fees of going inside is 30 rupees. What the hell is going on this planet? I'm having no idea that what this Mela is all about. You're charging 30 rupees to go inside per person. Actually, this is ridiculous, man. That is so funny that I'm not going to do it anymore. I'm not going to go inside there. So yes, we are standing right in front of it, and I'm not going inside. We're gonna come here later, or probably I will not come here anywhere soon. Okay, so right now I'm here at a Hazratganj, and I really just forgot that today is Sunday, and on Sunday the Sharma tea stall is closed. I just forgot that today is Sunday and the Sharma is closed. It is just like the Popat ho gaya. Okay, so this thing is actually really funny that my whole vlog is completely a Popat vlog. I mean, wherever I go, whatever I've done in today's vlog, the conclusion of all things is Popat. First I went to Sharma, the chai was horrible. I have edited my last vlog, that was also horrible. One more Popat, and then I've just been to that Mela, Popat, complete Popat, and then I went to Hazratganj to have some samosa or chai. That was also a Popat. My whole day was complete Popat. My whole vlog is completely Popat. It's like a Popati vlog. Everywhere I go, Popat. So yeah, this was kind of my destiny, my kismat. So now, right now, I'm back to a 1090 Chauraha. So as you can see, it's dark back there, and there's nothing to show you guys because today's day is like a Popati day, like a Popat day for me. So yeah, it's 6:13 in the evening, and today there's no chai over here. I don't know why. So yeah, chalo.